you feel this too. I hope we're more than just friends. I wanna be with you.
Good morning guys, it's January 14, 2025 today. It's already 6:21. So as usual, like kahapon, papunta na ako sa highway ng mga ganitong oras at para mag-abang ng bus guys. So update ko kayo. So guys, I'm here na sa loob ng campus and it's already 7:01 na at this moment. Medyo mabilis lang naman yung biyahe guys, kaya yun. So ngayon papunta na ako ng department namin for my first class, which is we have a recitation, business taxation yung first class namin, 7:30 to 9. So I'm on the way. So guys, I'm already here sa classroom namin for the transfer and business taxation. So, meron pa namang 24 minutes para mag-review at mag-recall ng mga pwedeng maitanong sa receipt later. So, bubuksan natin yung mga electric fan guys. Guys, it's already 10:06 na at this moment and we're here sa Sibapa AVR because wala kami klase ng 4-5 hours vacant namin and 2 to 3:30 na yung next class namin, which is Accounting Information System. So ang tagal namin maghihintay dito guys. So sana ma-adjust yung time namin. Di pa kami nag-lunch, later na lang.
I hope you like me. If you do, I like you too. Why don't you try me? I'm lost when I'm with you. I don't know if you shine this light. Think about you late at night. I'm wondering if this feeling is true. I hope we're more than just friends. What if you say yes, I do? Tired of laying low. I'm lost when I'm with you. I don't know
So guys, it's already 12:37 na. Diba kaya tapos yung klase namin 9. Naghintay kami for the next class ng 2 to 3. Pero 5 hours guys. No? Tapos online class pala. 5 hours dapat yung makeup namin to yung class. 12:30 na ngayon. Tapos nag-chat yung prof. Online class na lang daw. So, sayang lang yung pag-iintay. Pwede na kami ngayon. So guys, pababa na kami ng third floor. Pababa na kami guys ng third floor. So, alas 2 daw online class. So, dapat bago mag alas 2 nakawin na ako. At wala akong load. Pero kung di ako nakaabot, hindi ako attend.
I wanna be with you. I hope we're more than just friends. I hope you feel this too. I hope we're more than just friends. I wanna be with you. I hope we're more than just friends. I hope you feel this too. I hope we're more than just friends. I wanna be with you. I hope we're more than just friends. I hope you feel this too. I hope we're more than just friends. I wanna be with you.